Hello, welcome to science class.
Hello everyone, how are you? Today you are going to take a 20 items quiz. Encircle the best answer. Download the PDF file and answer the quiz. Don't forget to write your name and your number. Follow the PDF format, not in this slide. Let's go. Number 1. Which of the following is a flowering plant? Okay, flowering plant. Flowering plant, it means a plant that has a flower. Okay. A. Moss. B. Coconut. C. Ginkgo. D. Cycad. 2. Which of the following is a non-flowering plant? Okay, non-flowering plant. It means no flower. A. Rose. B. Banana. C. Chinese rose. D. Moss. 3. Plant that only needs one parent is called, okay, plant that only needs one parent is called A. Sexual reproduction. B. Estamen. C. Asexual reproduction. D. Stigma. Okay, one parent, it means the plant only needs either stamen or pistil. Okay, only one of them, either stamen or pistil. How do you call that kind of plant? A. Sexual. B. Stamen. C. Asexual reproduction. D. Stigma. Okay, sexual reproduction, stamen, asexual reproduction, stigma. I discussed this last time. Number 4. Plant requires two parents is called, okay, plant requires two parents is called, two parents, it means the plant should have pistil and stamen, or stamen and pistil. Okay, it should have two parents. A. How do you call them? A. Sexual reproduction. B. Stamen. C. Asexual reproduction. D. Stigma. Okay. Number 5. Asexual reproduction is also called blank. Asexual reproduction is also called blank. Okay. A. Stigma. B. Flowering. C. Stamen. D. Non-flowering. Asexual reproduction is also called blank. A. Stigma. B. Flowering. C. Stamen. D. Non-flowering. Non-flowering. Asexual, it means only one parent. Okay, only one parent. Or asexual, it means one parent only, either pistil or stamen. Just one of them. Okay, how do you call them? So if the plant have two parents, if the plants have two parents, like have one pistil and one, or if the flower, rather, if a flower has a pistil and stamen, it means they are also called flowering plants because the pollen grain can land on the stigma. If asexual, it means they have only one parent, or they are called also non-flowering plants. Okay. Number 6, sexual reproduction is also called blank. Sexual reproduction is also called blank. A. Stigma. B. Flowering plant or flowering. C. Stamen or flowering flower. C. Stamen. D. Non-flowering. Sexual reproduction is also called A. Stigma. B. Flowering. C. Stamen. D. Non-flowering. 7. How many parts does it contain for a complete flower? Okay, last time I let you answer your book, and also I discussed last time the parts of the complete parts, okay, in a flower. So how many parts does it contain for a complete flower? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. 8. If one or more parts are missing, okay, one or more parts are missing of a certain flower, it is called what? If one or more parts are missing, it is called what? A. Complete flower. B. Perfect flower. C. Incomplete flower. D. Imperfect flower. Okay, so in a flower we have the most important, we have sepal, petal, stamen, and pistils, right? So if one or more are missing, like for example, if the sepal is missing in that flower, how do you call that? How do you call it? Okay. A. Is it complete flower? B. Perfect flower. C. Incomplete flower. D. Imperfect flower. Okay. Missing. Okay. Missing. If one or more parts are missing of a certain flower, it is called what? Number 9. If the flower has stamen, okay, this is a flower. If the flower has stamen and pistil, it is called a blank. Okay. If the flower has stamen, have two parents, they have stamen and there is also pistil. It means the flower has two parents. It is called what? A. Complete flower. B. Perfect flower. C. Incomplete flower. D. Imperfect flower. Okay? Number 10. Number 10. If the flower has either stamen and pistil, it is called a blank. Either, it means it has only, if the flower has only stamen, or if the flower has only pistil, either stamen and pistil. How do you call it? A. Complete flower. B. Perfect flower. C. Incomplete flower. D. Imperfect flower. Okay? 11. Which of the following plant is a complete flower? Okay? Complete flower have 4 parts. Sepal, we have petal, stamen, and pistil. Okay? You can see that in your book, page 53. Which of the following plants is a complete flower? A. Chinese rose. B. Pumpkin. C. Papaya. D. Coconut. Okay? Which of the following is a complete flower? Number 12. Which of the following is a male part of the flower? Male, okay? Boy, okay? Which of the following is a male? Male, it means boy, part of the flower. A. Pistil. B. Ovary. C. Anther. D. Stamen. Okay? 13. Which of the following is a female part of the flower? Female, it means girl. A. Pistil. B. Ovary. C. Anther. D. Stamen. 14. Which of the following are factors causing plant pollination? Okay, plant pollination. A. Wind, human. B. Wind, human, water, air. C. Wind, human, water. D. B and C. B and C. What is the right answer? Just answer only one. Okay, there are only one correct answer in every item or in every number. Number 15. How do you call a type of propagation of plants? This is methods of propagation. Last time I discussed 6 methods of propagating plants. How do you call a type of propagation of plants using seeds to plant in the soil to grow a new plant? Okay, you use seeds to plant in the soil. How do you call that method of propagations? A. Cutting. B. Layering. C. Seedling. D. Budding. Okay. 16. A type of propagation using stem or leaf to a plant in order to grow a new plant. Okay. This time, a type of propagation that you only use stem or leaf to grow a new plant. How do you call that method of propagation? A. Cutting. B. Layering. Okay, this is B. C. Seedling. D. Budding. Okay. A type of propagation by making the branch grow. Okay. You let the branch grow a root. Okay. Last time you have to cut a little bit and you have to put soil in the branch or in the stem, and you have to cover it with cellophane while it is still attached. Okay, still attached to a parent tree. How do you call that method of propagation? A. Cutting. B. Layering. C. Seedling. D. Budding. Okay, this type of propagation is very easy and you can plant the tree fast compared to seedling. Okay, and I like this type of methods of propagation because you can plant the tree fast, or you can grow the tree fast. Number 18. Which substance is cleansing agent? Okay. Which substance is cleansing agent? A. Toothpaste. B. Mosquito killer. C. Sugar. D. Insecticide. Okay. Cleansing agent for cleansing. Which substance is for cleansing agent? 19. Which substance helps eliminate insects? Okay. You kill insects. A. Toothpaste. B. Mosquito killer. C. Sugar. D. Detergent. Which of the following which substance helps eliminate insects? 20. Which substance are food additives? Okay. Which substance is a food additive? A. Toothpaste. B. Food additives, it means you can mix it with other food, okay, or you can eat it. That is food additives. You can mix to other foods or you can eat, okay. That types of substance that cannot harm to your body. Which one? A. Toothpaste. B. Mosquito killer. C. Sugar. D. Detergent. What substance can be mixed or can be put to another food or can be mixed with another substances? Alright? So you have to answer the PDF. You have to download it, and after you answer, you have to take photo of the PDF and send the picture to my line. That's all for today, and have a good day, everyone.